Okay, we got a Tuesday weather forecast for you. We're going to be talking about more of the same, really. These are the forecast highs for today. Tomorrow will be cooler by a few degrees, and then we'll have dramatic cooling towards the weekend with temperatures not in the upper 80s, but in the upper 70s, low 80s. You'll see that coming up in the 5-day forecast. But basically a very fire-friendly pattern. When I say fire-friendly, I mean the environment is such that the fires are not popping off, which is awesome. The smoke is good. The coast is clear, so to speak, right? We've got beautiful conditions coastside. The inversion's been blown up. And we just have an awesome pattern. Paradise 83 today, Redding 91, 92 in Red Bluff. Fresno 96. Again, fire danger always high, but boy, I'll tell you what, this pattern is crushing it in terms of my concern for fire danger. The 5-day forecast, we'll pop it in here, and you can see that we've got just nice weather. Clouds on Thursday, Friday, that marks the cool down. And you can see in here, that's the hot spot, Thursday. The hot spot, that's Concord. The 82, that's going to be Livermore. So today is going to be the highest temperature day, and then temperatures start to trend down. And by the weekend, I think some of the hot spots by Saturday, maybe upper 70s. So we are, without a doubt, into a very, very user-friendly weather pattern, for sure. So there's the no fog along the coast. You see that. No smoke. Those are actually high clouds, kind of cool high clouds going in overhead. And we'll go check the Boise fire. That thing's still big, but I can't really pick out much smoke from it. I don't really see much smoke at all, which is awesome. So really nice air quality. And then the other thing to note is along the coast, fog, not a thing. The fires, there we go. And you can see what's burning and what's not. Now, I know it looks like, oh, everything's on fire. These are all the fires, and past fires in gray, the fires that are going out. Like when you see something like this on watchduty.org, that's a fire that is getting contained, because you see the gray. The gray represents containment. And then you see the Boise fire. Not a lot of containment there. Boise fire is 12,000 acres, 13% contained. So how does it all equate to air quality? I mean, the air quality right now is greens around the Bay Area, which is very healthy, very good air. So happy to see that for sure. The pattern is such, here we are, right? Let me see if I can draw a box. I got to get better at these boxes. Okay, so that's us right there. So this is going to be the model, and I'm going to run it through. I'm going to click it through hour by hour, day by day. But there's the trough. See it right there? And it's staying right over the top of us. That's Wednesday. That's cooler. Look at that. If that's winter, that's rain and snow. That's a cold system this time of year. It just means milder, cooler temperatures. That's on Friday night, Saturday, right? And there's some of the models are saying maybe a little bit of drizzle, maybe a little bit of rain, probably for Northern California, Cape Mendocino up. But this is the anomalous piece right here, this trough, which has positioned itself for over 10 days and has given us temperatures in Sacramento below 100 degrees multiple days in a row after they had gone something like 38 days with 100 plus degree temperatures in the summer. So then as we see California right there, I hope you can see it. The trough lifts out. This is on Sunday, and then it starts to ridge. That's Monday. So that's the warm up. So probably Monday afternoon, we're back into the 90s and maybe even some low 100s, because the ridge is going to come in fast and furious. And then you look at that subtropical moisture come up from the south. So the idea being a cool weekend ahead, conditions like this along the coast, a beautiful day at Ocean Beach in San Francisco. Just saw that guy get a wave, nobody out. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Wow. I mean, it's small, but it looks good. So this Ocean Beach, you can look at all the sand in place right now. We can go to Steamers Lane in Santa Cruz, and you can a little bit high on the tide. There was somebody out here surfing earlier, but that's no fog free. And then Pleasure Point, fog free as well. So a really, really nice day around the Bay Area and around San Francisco, and Steamers Lane, and then there's San Francisco's Ocean Beach. And then there's this pattern that is going to warm us up, but not until early next week. Okay, there it is. I'll see you here tomorrow.